Worried about the battery health of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus? Don't worry, here's how to maintain battery health and improve battery life. First, adjust the phone's performance mode. Open Settings, tap Device Care. Then tap Performance Profile. Switch from Standard to Light. This slightly reduces CPU speed to improve efficiency, and you won't notice any slowdown, but your battery life will improve. The display uses more battery than any other part of the phone. First, enable Dark Mode. Open Settings, tap Display, then turn on Dark Mode. Next, lower your screen brightness. In the display settings, move the brightness slider down to a comfortable level. Now, reduce your screen timeout. Open Screen Timeout. Then select 30 seconds or 1 minute. Then lower the refresh rate. Open Motion Smoothness from the same settings and choose Standard instead of Adaptive. Also, avoid video or animated wallpapers. Press and hold on the home screen or lock screen. Open Wallpaper and Style and choose a static wallpaper. In many cases, the battery drains because of the Always On Display feature. To fix this, open Settings, go to Lock Screen and AOD, and turn Always On Display off. Sometimes, connectivity settings can quietly drain your battery. Whenever possible, use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. If your 5G signal is weak, open Settings, tap Connections, then tap Mobile Networks and select LTE Preferred. You can also disable background scanning. Open Settings, tap Location, then open Location Services and turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Background apps often use battery without you noticing. Open Settings, tap Accounts and Backup, then open Manage Accounts and turn Auto Sync Data off. Then open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, open Settings, tap Network Preferences, and choose Don't Auto Update Apps. A clean system runs more efficiently. Open Settings, tap Device Care, and enable Auto Optimization so your phone can automatically restart and clear background processes. Also, check your storage space. Try to keep at least 10 gigabytes free because a nearly full phone can increase battery usage. Finally, protect your battery for the long term. Open Settings, tap Battery, then open Battery Protection and set the charging limit to around 90%. If you charge overnight, consider turning off fast charging to reduce stress on the battery, and always use a reliable charger for the best charging performance. Follow these steps and your Galaxy S26 Ultra battery should last much longer throughout the day. Thanks for watching till the end.